Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the video. And in this video, we are diving straight into the myEcon Black Friday promotion. Yes, you can get started for literally just $9.95. Absolutely crazy, crazy, crazy offer right now. And what I want to do in this video is I want to walk you through everything that you're going to get for $9.95. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, understand the over $10,000 in value that you're going to get, yes, for less than $10. Now, obviously, we're going to start off right with the basic stuff here. myEcon, the actual membership, what you get. You know this stuff. It's covered in lots of other content. I'm going to breeze through this and then really show you the true value of our funnel team marketing system and everything that you get, how it's all spelled out for you, the true dollar value that you're getting here for the most ridiculous price I've ever seen during this very limited time frame. Okay. So you have your myEcon membership, you have your income shifting, how you can literally shift your taxes around, take more money away from the government, put more money back in your pocket. You have the credit repair, proven to work, documented to work. It's literally helped me go from a 500 credit score to over 800 credit score. Now it actually really does work. Okay. You get the debt elimination software, figure out how to eliminate your debt in a fraction of the time. You have tax minimization strategies, which I don't know if you know this, but once you are a member of myEcon, you are now officially a home-based business owner. And as long as you're showing the government intent to make a profit, you can claim up to 200 different tax deductions as a home-based business owner. We're going to show you how to take advantage of all that. You also have the cash flow manager. So now as a home-based business owner, you can manage and track all of your expenses, whether it be your personal expenses, your business expenses, both. Come tax time, it's going to be really simple and easy because all you have to do is literally print out a CSV file, hand that to your tax professional and let them go to work. You don't have to worry about keeping receipts and all this other stuff because the cash flow manager is going to do that for you. And then lastly, the investment training and education platform, which guys, this is the stuff that people pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars to attend seminars out in Vegas. You're going to get that as part of your membership for, yes, less than $10. You get incredible education and training on how to have your money make money for you. So yes, simple as that, my friend, over $1,000 in value. If you were to go get all these things individually, you would be paying hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Check this out. Even if you just went to go get credit repair on its own, there's companies out there right now that are charging you $150 a month to repair your credit, and you don't have to pay a fraction of that. And yes, you need to understand credit repair is a monthly ongoing process. You don't just pay it one and done. Companies will charge you, sometimes contract you out for 12 months at a time. Okay. You don't have to pay that. So plain and simple, my friend. Now, how do you make money? What is the true value behind what you're getting here for this Black Friday promo? How do you start sharing this? How do you start making money? What do you get access to? Okay. So how we work and how our funnel team training system works, and obviously why we're one of the biggest and fastest growing teams here inside of myEcon, is we provide you with a 100% free with your myEcon membership, a free proven to convert system and training. Okay. Now, this is going to help you convert your leads into sales. It's as simple as that. So it's everything you need, all wrapped up into literally an app on your phone. Simple, easy, and the value is absolutely insane. Okay, so it's the funnels, it's the training. We do the email marketing for you. We give you content. We show you how to market it. We plug you into our sales rotators, meaning we're going to share your link for you. We're going to market for you as well. And it's a business in an app. Simple as that. You can see it right here. No gatekeeping, my friend. Our system has helped almost 10,000 people. If this didn't work, we would not have the numbers that we do, period, end of story, okay? So the real question is, why does our system work so well? Why are we bringing literally hundreds of people per week into myEcon? Well, it's as simple as this. We have proven to convert methods. They're documented, they're proven to work, right? And irresistible value. It's as simple as that, literally as simple as that. So that's why. Now, what you're looking at here, and I know there's a lot of information on your screen, there's a lot of arrows, but pay attention. Let me walk you through, okay? This is our step-by-step training site that you see here. I just took a screenshot, and the arrows are really just calling out how simple it is. Very simple and easy to follow directions. Start here. Watch this first. Like, you really can't mess that up. Get your link. You literally click there, and we show you how to set up your sales funnels. Simple as that. Then we show you how to share your link, how to get out there on social, how to use things like Craigslist and solo ads and social media to go drive traffic to your link. Simple as that. Once people go through your funnel, our sales funnels handle everything for you, okay? We teach you how to use your myEcon membership. We show you how to use the credit repair, how to use the tax, services, how to use all those things. We show you that, right? We help you plug your new members in, meaning when you get a sale and someone joins you, you don't have to explain how everything works. Our system does it all for you. Again, making it really simple and easy for you. And we're going to give you access to thousands and thousands of dollars in bonuses that I'm going to continue to walk you through here in this video. Okay. So all of this is yours free. Yeah. With your $9.95 membership. Absolutely crazy value. So you can see on the top left of your screen there, the value added just went up because plain and simple, my friend, systems are not free. Page builders are not free. Like where we host our team training, where we host our funnels is inside of a platform called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is not free. It's $300 a month that you don't have to pay, which has all of your funnels, multiple sales funnels that you can use, all of your training, your whole membership site, everything. You don't have to pay that, okay? And if you were to hire someone to do all of that for you, it would cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars, okay? There's a ton of value there with that. Plus all of the training that you're getting, we had to spend our own time to provide you with all of that training. If you went and, found someone that was training you on how to make money online, I guarantee it's not free, okay? But we're giving it to you with your myEcon membership, okay? Also, we're going to email all your leads for you. Our autoresponder costs over $600 a month. We're emailing your leads every single day. And it's a price that you don't have to pay. So you don't have to pay for the autoresponder and you don't have to pay for someone to do all the email marketing for you, emailing your leads on your behalf. Okay. And again, if you went out to Fiverr or somewhere and contracted someone to do all your email marketing for you, you'd have to pay for them to do the work and you'd have to pay for the autoresponder. You don't have to do that. It's all yours free with your membership. Okay. We're going to give you an app. Yes, you could literally run your business from an app on your phone. Okay. And again, guys, apps cost money. It costs thousands of dollars to run this app. You can see right there. Okay. $740 a month for the autoresponder that's tied into the app. This is a separate autoresponder. This works directly with the app. Okay. We also have video hosting. We also have Zapier integration because it takes multiple systems to work together to make this app fully functional. Okay. And then you have obviously the app platform itself. Okay. That's over $1,500 per month just to run the app so you can run your business for free using our customized software. It's as simple as that. Also, just to help you really get out there and go crush it online, we're going to give you 3 free digital courses that are designed to help you crush it. When you look at every top leader in myEcon, and to be honest with you, any top leader in the industry, all right, they all use social media to build and grow their business, okay? So we're going to give you the best training on the market today, absolutely free, over $2,000 worth of courses that if you were to go out and buy these on your own, YouTube University, it's going to teach you how to grow, scale, and monetize on YouTube. This is a $500 course, yours free. Social Mastery Blueprint. This is a $700 course going to teach you how to grow and scale on platforms like TikTok and Facebook, yours free. Yes, with your $9.95 membership, okay? And then Scalability Pro, this is going to teach you how to grow and scale any online business to a 5-figure monthly residual income. And again, you could go buy this on the side, you could pay $1,000, or you could get started for $9.95 and get all 3 of these courses for free, okay? But it doesn't just end there. We're also going to give you, for those of you guys that are a little more old school, we're going to give you a Craigslist posting software so you can run multiple ads at once without worrying about your ads getting shut down because we have the software, we know how to do it, and we've been doing it for years. If you were to go buy this on your own, it would be $500, or you could get started for $9.95 and get it absolutely free, okay? So lots and lots and lots of value. You can look at the top left corner of your screen. You can see the value added now. We're approaching, there it is, $10,000 because we're also going to plug you into our team sales rotator and we're going to share your link for you. Okay. We're going to help you start marketing right off the bat, right from day one. So before you post a single piece of content, before you promote it all, you could get into our rotator. We're going to start sharing your link for you. Again, if you were to go drive solo ad traffic or paid ads, you would have to go pay that money out of your pocket. Okay. That's $300 a week, $1,200 a month that we're spending for you. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. We're going to help you market your business. All right. Again, all yours free as part of this promotion and part of what we do. Okay. Lastly, this is a very, very, very limited time bonus that I'm doing exclusively just for you during this promotional period. I'm also going to put you into my own personal rotator, and I'm going to help share your link. So we have two different systems right now, two different rotators that we're going to plug you into, and we're going to be sharing your link for you. Plain and simple, my friend, you're not going to find this value anywhere. You're not going to find an opportunity like this anywhere. To get over $11,000 in absolutely free value just for activating a less than $10 membership, you would be absolutely crazy not to jump on this. And for whatever crazy reason, if you decide that making big fat weekly commissions and having all this value isn't a fit for you, you can cancel and get your money back. You literally cannot lose. Okay. So you can get my rotator, the team's rotator, guys, literally everything that you need to make money online starting today in this very limited time window during this Black Friday offer. So if you're watching this video, link in the description down below. You have my link right up top there at the top of the screen. Go there, type it in your browser, open up the description if you need to, click on the link down there and go lock yourself in. Get yourself started. It's as simple as that. So yes, my friends, everything right there, you see it, $9.95 one time. Yes, then it will be $39 a month, 30 days out. But trust me, my friend, during this promotion, you can run out there and you can go get a ton of sales. We have people that are making multiple sales per day with this promotion right now. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna leave you a little hint, and I already did another video about this. Your magic number is 15. You need to go get 15 sales. Okay, you can do it during this promotional period. You can do it whenever. You go get 15 sales, you're never going to have to pay your monthly membership because that's going to cover the cost with those residual monthly payments. That's going to cover the cost of your membership. So that's your magic number. Write that down. Keep that in the back of your head. When you get started, if you're worried about paying a monthly membership, go get 15 sales. Okay, or you go get 15 sales, or you can go get 5 sales, you can go get 3 sales, you can go get 2 sales, and you can have duplication on your team. As long as you have 15 total people on your team, that is your magic number. So you don't have to worry about the cost of your monthly membership. But ultimately, I mean, are you really going to turn down over $11,000 in free value for less than $10? Again, you'd be crazy not to. So ultimately, my friends, you have two options. You can stay the same. You can keep doing what you're doing. You can keep watching video after video after video and taking zero action and getting zero results, wishing, hoping, praying, debating that things just suddenly get better. Or option number two, you can hit the link in the description down below. Or if you're watching this on a video on a screen somewhere, you can click the button below, get yourself started, lock in, and get going, my friend. It's literally that simple. You have all the value, support, everything you need to start making money online literally today. Don't even hesitate. Don't wait. Start right now. You could be up and running in less than 1 hour from right now. Heck, you could be up and running in 5 minutes from right now if you get started. Get into our team site, which I'm going to send you instant access to as soon as you get started. And once you do, you can get right into our sales rotator. We're going to start sharing your link for you literally instantly. But you're never going to experience anything, my friend, if you don't get started. I hope you do. I hope to see you on the inside in just a few minutes. If you have any questions, drop a question down below. Otherwise, this is the biggest no-brainer I have ever seen in my entire online marketing career. You'd be crazy not to, my friend. Appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.